Today we will learn 3 amazing editing tips that will make your editing even better. Number 1. Remove green screen background. Now we will learn remove green screen background. First on the green screen video and second another video. Enable the green screen video, then go to the effect panel and search Alt key. Drag this effect onto the green screen video and go to the effect control panel. Now you can see the effect. I'll select a color picker option and select green screen background here. Now if I play the video, you will see here. To look more visibility, go to matte generation. Change the output option to alpha channel. You can see lot of noise here. If I cleaning the noise, increase the pattern value 100%. Then enable the matte cleanup. Increase the cook value to 20%. Then increase the contrast value 90%. Now it looks more cleaned up than before. In this time I'll change the output alpha to composition. Now if I play the video, you will see the more clean up video. Number 2. Glass bar effect. In this time we will learn glass bar effect. Here is the normal video footage. First we will create an adjustment layer. Drag this adjustment layer on the timeline. Select adjustment layer and go to effect panel. Then search transform effect. Drag this effect into the adjustment layer and go to the effect control panel. Now I will increase the scale value to 152. Then uncheck the uniform scale. Then decrease the scale height to 32%. Then increase rotation value 26%. Now go to the transform effect and increase the scale value 135%. In this time I'll animate this effect. Go to the position and move it. And go to first frame and turn on the stopwatch icon. Then go to the end of the adjustment layer and move the position value. If I play the video, you will see the effect. If I duplicate this adjustment layer, it looks more beautiful. I'll play the video again, you will see the entire effect. Number 3. Enhance video quality. Now we will learn enhance video quality. First go to the project panel and create adjustment layer. Drag this adjustment layer on the top of the layer, then increase the adjustment layer of the full video. Now go to the effect panel and search sharpen. Drag this both effect on this adjustment layer. Sharpen and unsharp marks. Then go to the effect control panel. Here you can see two effects, sharpen and unsharp marks. Increase the sharpen amount 20%. Then unsharp marks 100%. If I disable the adjustment layer, you will understand better. If we need it, increase the unsharp amount value more. To get more editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.